To add Jotform to your GoDaddy website, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to your website builder. If you are using a different platform, such as WordPress, you will need to access your website's dashboard. Next, go to the Jotform website and create an account if you do not already have one. Once you are logged in, click on the My Forms tab and select the form you want to add to your website. If you have not created a form yet, you can do so by clicking on the Create Form button and following the prompts. After selecting your form, click on the Publish tab and then select the Embed option. You will be given a few different embedding options, including an iframe, JavaScript, and HTML. For most users, the iframe option will be the easiest to use. Copy the iframe code and go back to your GoDaddy website builder. Click on the Add section or Add block option, depending on the layout of your website, and select the Custom Code or HTML option. Paste the iframe code into the box and click Apply or Save. The form should now be visible on your website, but you may need to adjust the size and style to fit your website's design. You can do this by clicking on the form and using the editing tools provided by your website builder. To test the form, click on the Preview button and fill out the form as a user would. Make sure the form is submitting correctly and that you are receiving notifications as expected. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Jotform's support team for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily add a Jotform to your GoDaddy website and start collecting data from your users. Remember to customize the form to fit your website's design and test it thoroughly to ensure it is working correctly.